Ancient Ghana was one of the three major West African empires in sub-Saharan Africa in the medieval times. It was located in today countries of Mauritania, Senegal, and Mali. It had connections to the Sahara Desert, major rivers, and other natural landscapes, which helped in trade and transportation. Ancient Ghana existed from the 6th century to the 13th century CE approximately. The people who created the kingdom named it Wagadu originally, but the Arabs changed it to what we now know as Ghana in present day. The Ghana Empire was a monarchy. They had their rulers, which were kings at the very top, the nobles, farmers, and craftspeople at the bottom, and traders and slaves at the very bottom. Even with these distinctions of class, gender was also separated. Men in this society were allowed to have many wives, while women did not even have the ability to choose their husbands. The men were the head of the household, and he was called the Fa. He was in charge of relationships, religion, and family's property. In this empire, the king controlled and commanded the army. He would give taxes and anything else he wanted. The Ghana was assisted by a royal council and guided the judge's actions. The Ghana Empire is one of the major trade empires for the Trans-Sahara. They were abundant in gold, salt, and ivory. They controlled salt trade in the north and gold trade in the south. All of this was made possible by the domestication of camels. The camels increased trade. Extra goods could be sent north by camels in exchange for manufactured goods. They established with the Muslims of northern Africa and the Middle East. Ghana culture was basically education passed down through storytellers. Their religion was a blend of Islam and some African practices. They created masks, sculptures, and produced beautiful fabrics. The language they spoke was Sankol and Mande. Muslim merchants brought Islam, which spreaded very slowly at first, because of the king's adaptation to Muslim technology and ideals. Many people enhanced Islam, which soon led to Ghana being taken by the West African kingdom of Mali. Ghana would never recover to its former glory and would see many decades of further decline. Although Ghana did fall, they saw many glory years. The West Ghana explains the mythical story of Bida, a black snake. Every year the snake would demand the sacrifice of a virgin in return for prosperity of the kingdom. But one year, the flance of a victim rescued her, resulting in Bida taking revenge on the religion. Drought came in the mine and gold dropped. Their great impacts located at the west coast of Ghana, which was good for trade, and that no longer mattered. Lastly, even though Ghana did fall, their impact and technologies lasted for many more years. Their use of carpentry and poetry never died. The discovery of a more efficient way to use the camel lived on forever. Their use for gold as a weight of measurement always was an assist in trade. Ancient Ghana did fall due to the Mali Empire, but they became a memorable part of history in which they will continue to learn more about.